demonstrating scapular elevation, neck rotation, and lateral flexion. So before testing, we're going to demonstrate on the unaffected side, which is going to be this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to go do passive range of motion so she gets a feel for how the motion should be.
Should I go to the back?
Yeah. Okay.
Should I go to your back?
Yeah, so when you're demonstrating passive range of motion, you want to make sure that the head of the humerus is in the glenoid cavities so that they're together. And you can use your hand to support the scapula for scapular elevation. And then you want neck rotation and lateral flexion. So this is a position that you're demonstrating. And then I'm going to tell you that, okay, so I'm going to see if you can do that on your own. Okay, and do I apply resistance on this side?
No, yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going to apply some resistance and I want you to maintain the position, okay? So like that.
Okay.
Okay, so at this position it's 3, but when I'm applying slight resistance and Tina being able to maintain a little bit, that's already at 3+. And at maximum resistance, like I'm applying now, it's going to be a 5. Okay? So now I'm going to demonstrate on the affected side. Okay, and we're going to start off with passive range of motion and then active and see if you can do any resistance. So same thing, make sure that the head of the humerus is in the glenoid cavity, and you can use your hands in the back here to support her scapula for scapular elevation, and then neck rotation, lateral flexion. Okay, and now I want to see how much you can do on your own. So a 3 would look like this. Okay, and then if I apply any resistance, and if she can't maintain it, then we just know that she's testing at a 3, because when I applied resistance, she couldn't maintain it. And then you want to do less than 3? Okay, so we want to do less than 3. Tina, can you demonstrate that? Yeah, so this would be like, oh,
No,
this would be 3 minus. This is a 3 minus. Yeah. So 3 minus is that she can do it on her own, but she can only do it like 50% of the way. So this is 3 minus, and demonstrate 3 again. So, and then that's 3. Do you see how full range of motion versus 50% of the way? That's the difference between a 3 and 3 minus. Okay, and then let's see the gravity minimizing one. Okay, to demonstrate if she can test at a grade 2, in this position you're eliminating gravity, and then I'm gonna do.
You're on the opposite side.
I'm on the opposite. Oh, on the side.
Because that's the affected side, right?
Oh yeah, this is the affected side.
Well, it says OT stands on opposite side being tested. Or if you're testing.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. So, do you guys want me to demonstrate the passive and before active and resistance again? Okay. So, in this position, you're assuming that she's only doing scapular elevation. So to demonstrate that, you can just do this right here. And same thing, make sure the head of the humerus is, Okay, and to test for a grade 2, I'm going to ask Tina if you can elevate your shoulders. So if she can do it by herself in this position, then she gets a 2. And if she can only do it, like halfway, same thing, like 50% of the way, then that would be a 2 minus. And like with some resistance here, and if she was able to elevate her shoulders, then that would be a 2+.
I don't think we offer any resistance with gravity minimized.
You can.
It's 2+.
For 2+.
Okay.
Is that it?